This is the artistic wasp, a new favorite of mine that is found quite widespread throughout the forested areas of South and Central America, particularly in Brazil. Artistic wasps are eusocial, meaning they have a very large hive structure, all kind of run by one queen who is in charge of all of the breeding and everything. They're described as being very, very chill wasps and rarely ever attack humans and have quite a mild venom. They again all live in one large central hive run by the queen with all the workers and drones and everything going out to find food to bring back to the nest. The main threat to the nest are ants, which will find the tree or plant or whatever structure that the nest is built on and try to climb up into it to kind of attack the wasps and steal the larvae. But the nests typically only have one opening, so it is rather easy to defend against ants. The venom of the artistic wasp is described as being very mild, but is capable of causing an allergic reaction in humans if stung. However, stings are quite rare and usually not very severe. But the venom is interesting that it can be sprayed as well, and this is mostly used when a swarm forms. Basically, when the hive grows too big for the current nest, a new queen will leave to start a new colony, taking a bunch of workers with her, and the swarm will find a new spot to build a new hive, and they will spray their venom all over the new nesting spot in order to kind of warn other wasps that, hey, we are establishing a nest here, and also attract any stragglers of the swarm that might have gotten lost along the way. Like, hey, here we are, come find us. Now, one of the more interesting parts about these wasps is the diet. They do occasionally drink nectar from plants and also harvest honeydew from aphids. But the majority of their diet is made up of caterpillars of various species of Lepidoptera found in the area. What these guys will do is they will sting the caterpillars and use their venom to paralyze them, and then once the caterpillars are paralyzed, they will chew them into little package-sized bits and carry them back towards the hive to feed the larvae and other wasps. Now, these wasps are often very well tolerated by locals because, again, they're not very aggressive, and they're also used as a form of biological pest control because the caterpillars and other larvae do quite a lot of damage to crops, so by having these wasps around that take care of the caterpillars, it actually helps farmers and other people in the area protect their crops.